What up my niggas, what up my brothers, what up my everyone, my haters, subscribers, how y'all doing, what y'all doing? So today, this game is called Balanced Craft Wars Overhaul. So we got this weapon here. This is a weapon review. This weapon is from an egg that's like 1 in a 50k. Like in chances 0.004. So you're probably thinking that this weapon is so strong, it's so amazing, it's so like overpowered, overwhelming, but in reality it's pretty ass shit. Like it's so shit, it's so bad, it is shit. Even the aim, look at this. Let me shoot this nigga here. Bro, this aim, bro, man, this aim is on some shit. This aim is so ass, man. This aim is so shit. I can't lie. We got an egg that is 1 in a 50,000. And this gun, this weapon is bad. Like it's so bad. It is so bad. But come on, man. Like I can't compare it to this. This thing is better, has better aim, and do the same damage, like similar damage, and has better aim. While this thing can go suck my dick, man. I just can't take it with